guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here, it's probably from my TikTok that blew up a few days ago.
One day I just wanna hear you say, I like you.
If you're not, well, thanks for being here. I'm gonna show you how to get this look right here. You know, this little cute glam, you know, a little natural-ish glam, you know, very cute, very simple, you know, but it's giving you flavor. It's giving you spice, you know.
But do you really know? Do you really know?
No, you know.
Thank you.
So if you like it, just keep on watching. Okay, let's jump right into it. First things first, I'm going to sort of prep prime with the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. It's like this. I just and just press it into my face like this. If you see me look over here, it's because my mirror is here, but. So for foundation, we're gonna go in with two shades from the new Kat Von D Good Apple foundation. I really like these. They're not bad. They're my new go-to now. So I'm really shade 066, but sometimes I use 074. Depends how I feel. Or I might, you know what I'm gonna do? I lied. I'm gonna use 066 and the Tan Apple, and then on the outer perimeter I'm going to use the Anastasia foundation in 440C. So these two. I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and I'm just going to apply like this. Where's my mirror? Get this one. And then what I'll do with the Anastasia, I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and then just dot it around like that. I look a bit crazy right now, but once I do my concealer and my blush and all that, bronzer, everything comes together. Next. I go in with concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I use Tan Sand. I'm just gonna go right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. I don't really contour. My contour is my bronzer. So I don't really, so what I'm gonna do is, you really wanna go like my cheekbones, like right there, but you wanna go above it. So I'm gonna go like this, I'm gonna go like this, and then I just go across my forehead, like that. Like so, like this, like so. I'll just do a little bit on my nose right here. I don't really contour my nose, but sometimes I'll just go right here, like on the bridge. Just want to push it into your brows. So this is what my face looks like. Perfect. And then usually I like to let my concealer dry down a bit. So I'm gonna take my little fan. This is pretty beast. And I just got back into wearing the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I just forgot how full coverage this joint really is. This is like, look at this. It's great. With my fluffy angled brush. This one's from Lux. Any type of angled brush. And when you're right here doing your contours, you always want to make sure you go up. So up, up, up. With my Milani cream blush, I just picked up like 3 of these. I think there's another color, but it was sold at Target. They're very creamy. Can you see that? Oh, right there. Very creamy. And then I'm just gonna dot it at an angle. Oh, and the shade this is in is Merlot Moment. And so right now, this is all creams and liquids. So now that I'm happy with the creams and liquids, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna set my face using the Lauramercier powder. And I'm just going to tap that in. And then I'll go in with the brush and just pat away. Now, to make sure my face is even more sculpted, I'm going to, see, this is a moment where you take your beauty blender. I don't have it damp right now, but I'm just gonna use it dry, because I'm just gonna, so I start from the corner of my mouth and I go like right to the middle of my ear. So now we're gonna go on to brows. And I actually recently, I actually recently shaved my brows a bit to make them straighter. Because I just been loving everyone's straight brows. I mean, I didn't go ham or nothing, but I shaved it straighter. So I've been really liking using just the Brow Wiz. This is a dark brown. And I'm just gonna do this real quick. If you want a brow tutorial, leave a comment down below.
Have you ever had a dream that you
If you would like a brow tutorial, leave a comment down below. I'm just gonna speed past this. Okay, so I'm gonna take that concealer and just get a regular brush and just dab it on my arm. I use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and the shade I used, I don't have the thing anymore, but I used these 2 shades. And I just mixed those 2 with a fluffy brush and just blended it out. I like to pat from inner corner to outer corner as high as I want. And then once I get to my crease, that's when I start to blend it out in circular motions. And then I'll just sweep that on my bottom lash too. So now we're going to do mascara on the top lashes. I'm going to use the, I love this, the Huda Legit Lashes. The lashes I'm going to wear, I got a lot of questions on this, is the Sweet Dream lashes. And this is in the style Wifey. See what they look like closer. They are so pretty, like, wow. And while that lash dries, I'm going to do my waterline. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in pure white. I know they have like, I was in Ulta just confused by all the different eyeliners, but I grabbed this one and it's actually pretty nice. What a difference. Good white line on. Okay, is this dry? No, not yet. Well, since it's not dry, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this powder. She in the gym tonight.
Now with gym tonight.
I can get that on my head. That lash glue is still drying, so now I'm just going to highlight my nose. That is something I do highlight. It just makes it seem thinner, skinnier, more contoured. I'm gonna use a nice pointer brush, and this is my favorite highlighter of all time. It's the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo. I don't think they don't make the Pro Sculpting Duos anymore. They just have them separate now, but I believe this is number 2. I think that's still the same color in their highlights that they have. I didn't even show you what it looked like. There it is. Okay. Okay, what's next? Lips. Okay, so I got a lot of questions on my lip. So the first thing, I did a TikTok on like my everyday lip, but for this I did it a bit differently. So I am still going in with the Makeup Forever lip pencil, artist color pencil in 608 Limitless Brown. I'm going to line my lips. Also, sometime, maybe before, maybe after this video, I'm going to have a video on all my, like detailed into my different new lips and how I do them. Now for lipstick, I'm using the Artistcouture lipstick in the shade Saucy Gal. Apply this in the center, like so, like this. Wrap it around. Once I do that, I go back in my liners. Oh, I like that. Okay, and finally for this lip, I'm going to use the Artistcouture Uncensored lip gloss. And then for my freckles, I use the pomade from Anastasia. And the trick to it is you can go, I mean, it's kind of hard to find. You can probably go to a Party City, but it's this sponge. It's like a stipple sponge, you know, for makeup, especially special effects makeup. And as you can see, I ripped off a corner edge, and then from that you just want to like pluck more. So I'm gonna dip it in here like this. I like to get a little bit on the back of my hand so it's not like crazy, and then I just press it in my face, on my face. Just like that, not too crazy. I used to go crazy with the faux freckles, but I've calmed down, you know.
Calm down. Calm down.
And I think that's it. This is the finished look. Very simple, very basic. Well, not basic, you know, we never basic around here, but you know what I mean. And that's it. Get into the montage. Period. Okay. So if you like this video, you like my TikTok, then like, comment, leave a comment. You know, what do you want to see? You want to see the brow tutorial? You want to see some basics? Give it to me. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.